Hey guys, if you're tuning in, chances are you either work for or own a business with an amazing product or service. Naturally, you want the world to know about it, right? And even more importantly, you want to connect with people who would absolutely love what you offer. But here's the tricky part. How do you efficiently reach out to these potential customers, gather their information, and turn them into loyal supporters? That's where lead capture software steps in. Lead capture software enables businesses to collect crucial information about their prospects, including contact details, demographics, and behavioral insights. This data empowers businesses to execute targeted marketing campaigns, enhancing their ability to convert prospects into loyal customers. Implementing lead capture software has been shown to boost conversion rates by up to 300%. So, why is this a big deal for businesses? Capturing new contacts allows businesses to build a robust database of these potential clients. This database supports targeted marketing campaigns and facilitates personalized communication, which are essential for nurturing relationships, fostering brand loyalty, and ultimately increasing your sales. How does this work? At its core, lead capture software efficiently gathers contact information. It uses various methods like forms, pop-ups, and landing pages designed to capture essential data. Now, once it's collected, the software organizes it all for you, so you do not have to dig through those spreadsheets or manually enter data. The key features of lead capture software are what make it so effective. You get customizable forms to make data collection easy, automation for contact management to save time, seamlessly integrate with your existing systems and CRMs, and powerful analytics and reporting to help you make smart decisions that may be overlooked otherwise. Now, let's make this crystal clear as to why you need to start your lead capture software today. By capturing valuable contact details and implementing best practices like creating compelling forms, offering incentives, and optimizing for mobile, businesses can attract and engage more qualified prospects. So seamless integration with CRM systems enhances lead management by tracking and nurturing prospects effectively, while real-time notifications and personalized follow-ups ensure timely engagement and higher conversion rates. This software not only streamlines contact management processes, but also provides insightful analytics for the continuous improvement that you and your team need to be monitoring. It's a transformative tool that empowers you to enhance sales pipeline, optimize resource allocation, and drive revenue growth. Now, how do you know which lead capture software is best for you? Well, you've got form-based tools, pop-up solutions, and landing page capture options, all with their own unique features. So when choosing lead capture software, you need to remember that ease of use is key. You don't want something complicated, especially if you're starting out. It should integrate smoothly with your existing systems, offer customization options, and provide analytics and reporting. Those are the basics. Of course, don't forget about your data privacy. Now, what if I told you that you have the power to instantly capture lead information with just a business card? Not just any paper business card. Start making instant connections with the Wave Digital Business Card. Imagine attending a conference or networking event where exchanging contact information is as easy as just a tap or scan. With Wave's Digital Business Card, you can effortlessly share and gather lead information within just a few seconds. Their beauty really lies in their simplicity and effectiveness, and it doesn't look so bad. They not only capture essential contact information like names, emails, and phone numbers, but also allow you to include links to your website, social media profiles, or even a brief introduction about your business. So whether through the app, QR code, or even a physical metal card, Wave provides free digital business cards equipped within a built-in contact manager that ensures a seamless and efficient process. So I encourage you right now to get your free customizable Wave card by clicking the link in the description below. So if you're ready to take your networking and lead generation to the next level, consider the power of digital business cards integrated with lead capture software. It's not just about making connections here, it's about making connections that will last and matter effortlessly and sustainably. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights and tips. Have any questions or want to share your experiences with us? We'd love to hear it. Please drop us a comment below. We're here to help. Catch you on the next wave.